we got this tiny little room that I put the Friends of Water whole house water system in, and you can see it's a lot going on in a little bit of space. We've got the water comes in from the outside, the main supply goes up here, and this is for the sprinkler, and those two are for the hoses, and those are before the filter, so we don't use a bunch of filtered water in the yard. And keep this off, and comes down through this valve. This is a pre-filter, 20 micron, goes into this whole house system, which does a lot. And you can see it lasts 4 years or 150,000 gallons, these two. And then there's a third one here. This is a saltless water softener that lasts 5 years and probably a certain amount of gallons. And then this is another pre-filter, 5 micron this time, which is right before the fluoride removal. Takes off the rest of the fluoride that other system doesn't get. Then it comes up, and we got this cool valve meter that tells me how much we've used, so we can change this stuff when we need to. And then it goes up here and then out, so we can shut this and this to remove the system and keep the house, and open this one with those two shut. And then you can do maintenance on this system, and the house can have uninterrupted water. You'd be changing these two or these tanks. These tanks you install with these shark bites, or make it easier to remove them. There's a little tool I just keep right there that you will take those shark bites off easily. Just to show you how small this room is, I brought a tape measure to, it's like barely 32 inches here. Let me move my hand. You can see it's touching the wall, 32 inches. You got everything in here though. Looks good.